I'm Brian, Vice President of Product at Kingscrowd. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Tax Center, which is a very powerful tool when coupled with the Kingscrowd Portfolio Tracker. First, head over to your portfolio by clicking on My Portfolio in the main nav. Once you're within your portfolio, make sure that you have some different investments that are added. As you can see, I have some test investments here. To go to the Tax Center, navigate to the left-hand side menu and hit the Tax Center button. This is going to load all of your portfolio investments and checks them against our database of exits and failures that Kingscrowd tracks. As you can see here, it's come up with two potential exits or failures: Future Acres, which was a shutdown business, and City Zenith, which was acquired or merged. It has the potential exit date, and then you can see two different options here. First, for Future Acres. This one has an exclamation point that says no realized value has been recorded for this entry. What that means is that we have it in the Kingscrowd database, but I didn't yet record an exit or failure and an exit or failure amount in my portfolio, so it can't calculate the realized value. For City Zenith, you can see that I put a realized value of $50, which calculated $49 in gains and a 50x return. Again, this is just notional, that is not true, with short-term gains. It calculates all of that based on the different details in my portfolio for when I invested, how much I invested, and then based on the realized value. In addition, I can click the expansion here and see the description from the Kingscrowd Exit or Failure Tracker, which said, according to investor, City Zenith agreed to terms with TwinUp to purchase all of City Zenith's assets. Because it was an asset sale, it definitely wasn't a 50x return, but for the sake of this example, it shows you how the Tax Center will do some of those long and short-term calculations automatically for you. This is also helpful to check to make sure that periodically you may have had companies that went out of business or were acquired that you didn't hear about. Companies are not always great at giving updates, and we're going to be giving some more great improvements to our tools to be able to help with that. But this is a way for now to be able to look at that. In addition, you can filter by year if you have a bunch of company exits or failures by date, and you can search for anything and download it to a CSV similar to your portfolio. All of this is to be able to help investors more easily manage and track their investment progress over time. Check out some of our other great videos where we'll be showing you how to use some of the other tools and get the most from the Kingscrowd platform. Thank you.